In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website name in Wix. Full guide. First, sign into your Wix account and open your dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, go to the My Sites or Studio Sites view and pick the project you want to rename. Selecting the correct site up front saves you from editing the wrong one, especially if several look similar. Make sure you're logged in with a role that can manage site settings, like the owner or an admin, so all options are available to you. Once you're on that site's dashboard, look for the three-dot More Actions icon near the top of the page or on the site card. That menu holds quick settings that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From that menu, choose Rename Site. This opens a small panel where you can edit your site's name. Enter the site name, keeping it clear and consistent with your brand. Short, descriptive names are easier to recognize in your account and in any internal communications from Wix. Remember, this setting does not automatically change your domain. It's primarily the label used across your Wix workspace and can appear in some default places like site lists and project views. In that same panel, you can also update the site address, sometimes shown as the URL. For free Wix sites, this is the wixsite.com address that includes your chosen path. If you've connected a custom domain, that domain stays the same. You're only changing the underlying Wix address. Be mindful that altering a URL can affect previously shared links. If people have the old address, they may hit a dead link, so plan to update social profiles, email signatures, and bookmarks. If you actually intend to change a custom domain, that's a separate process in your domain settings, not here. After entering the new name and optionally the new address, click Save. Give Wix a moment to apply the change. You should immediately see the updated name in your dashboard. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. Visit your live site or use Preview to confirm everything loads as expected, especially if you change the address. Clearing your browser cache can help you see the latest version. If you collaborate with others on this project, a quick note about the new name helps avoid confusion in shared workspaces and assets. That's all it takes. Keeping your site name and address aligned with your brand makes your workspace cleaner and your links more professional. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again anytime you need a quick refresh.